Okay, as I said in the launch video, our job here is to burn stuff and see if we can make any sort of intelligent or scientific assessment of what's happening, what is flame, and of course eventually we're going to figure out what is stuff coming out of a flame. That is a nice rare instance where we know that that gas is different than all the other gas around it, so maybe we can take it and compare it to air. Okay, I'm just going to read from the procedure because I want you to be very safe. We're going to be lighting things on fire. So I'm just going to read from the procedure exactly, and I want you to do the same. So find and create a safe space away from flammable substances. So look around. Use a metal cooking tray. I'm going to use a pie plan, but any sort of non-flammable surface is best. Collect safety equipment. Goggles are required. Make sure you have a fire extinguisher nearby. Gloves are optional. Pie plate. Place your pie plate on a non-flammable surface. Bam. And prepare your samples. Cut out a tiny piece of paper, so about 1 centimeter on a side. Get a small piece of steel wool that you could place onto a quarter. Spread the fibers out as much as possible, so kind of make it like that. And cut off a 2 centimeter length of wood from your wooden splints. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Oops, that kind of flew away. Okay, so I got a 2 centimeter piece of wood. I'll pick up the other piece later. Carefully handle and observe each test substance and record descriptions in the data table. So place your candle in the center of the pie plate. Candle in the center of the pie plate. Done. And light with a barbecue lighter or matches. I got my matches. Okay. So your match just right there in the pipeline. Okay, pick up a test substance, hold it over the flame with the pliers, scissors, or tweezers. So I'm just gonna set that on tweezers. So I'm just gonna kind of set this in, hold it with these scissors. And I'm gonna read this carefully. Hold it over the flame until the sample is ignited. Then move the substance away from the flame, but still hold it over the surface of the pie plate and observe carefully. Once the fire is extinguished, drop the sample onto the pie plate and record the observations in the data table. So I'll do one for you, and then you'll do the other two. So I'll do the paper. So I'm just going to stick it. Wow, it just lights even before it almost touches it. And that's it. So quick. I'd recommend doing that 1 or 2 times. I'm sure you have access to paper. Okay, so do the same with your steel wool. Stick it over. I'll let you do that. And with your, man, these popsicle sticks like to fly away. I might have to cut a third popsicle stick. Okay, same with your popsicle stick. So hold it with your scissors. Bam, light it. Hold it over the pie plate. Observe before and after. Okay, be safe.